How to use Google Pay for transit. First, you want to simply open your Google Wallet application and you want to simply add a supported payment card or transit pass. To do that, you want to simply go to your profile picture. You want to simply tap on profile picture over here first. After that, you'd be able to see a page which will look something like this. Tap on payment methods. Here you'd be able to see an option called add credit or debit card over here. If you have any kinds of payment card that supports your transit options, you want to simply, after that, what you want to do is come back from the app completely and you want to turn on the NFC feature on. You want to simply swipe down on the control center and you'd be able to see an option here called NFC. You need to make sure this is turned on, and what you want to do is you want to simply tap and hold on to the NFC app. Tap on tap to pay and select the default payment as Google Pay. By doing so, you would have successfully turned on transit on your enabled transit on your Google Pay. After that, you want to simply tap your phone at the transit gate or reader and wait for the confirmation before entering on the transit using your transit. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.